Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson is a comprehensive guide on how to drive consistent and high-quality traffic to your website or online business. The book is structured around several key principles and strategies that Brunson has developed over his career as a successful online entrepreneur and co-founder of ClickFunnels. Key concepts and strategies. Understanding traffic. Traffic is essentially people. The goal is to attract the right people to your website or funnel. There are three types of traffic. Traffic you control, which includes paid ads, traffic you don't control, like organic search, and traffic you own, such as email list. Finding your dream customers. Identify who your dream customers are and where they congregate online. Develop a customer avatar to understand their needs, desires, and pain points. Engage with your dream customers by entering the conversations they are already having in their minds. Hook, story, offer. Capture attention with a compelling headline or image. Engage your audience with a relatable and emotional story. Present a solution that addresses their needs and desires. Leveraging existing platforms. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google to find and attract your dream customers. Each platform has its own unique features and audience, so tailor your content accordingly. The Dream 100. Identify the top 100 influencers, blogs, podcasts, and other platforms where your dream customers are already engaged. Build relationships with these influencers to leverage their audience and drive traffic to your own platforms. Creating evergreen traffic is all about developing content that remains relevant and valuable over time. By using SEO strategies, you can ensure your content ranks well in search engines. And don't forget to repurpose that content across different platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Email marketing. Build and nurture an email list to create a direct line of communication with your audience. Use email sequences to guide subscribers through a journey that builds trust and leads to conversions. Funnels and conversion. Design effective sales funnels that guide visitors from awareness to conversion. Test and optimize your funnels to improve performance and increase sales. Practical tips. Consistency. Regularly produce and share high-quality content to keep your audience engaged. Analytics. Monitor your traffic and engagement metrics to understand what works and refine your strategies. Paid advertising. Use paid ads strategically to boost your reach and attract new customers. Collaboration. Partner with influencers and other businesses to expand your audience and credibility. Value first. Always provide value to your audience before asking for anything in return. Conclusion. Traffic Secrets is a valuable resource for anyone looking to grow their online presence and drive more traffic to their website or business. By following Brunson's strategies for understanding traffic, finding your dream customers, and leveraging existing platforms, you can create a sustainable and effective traffic generation system. The book is filled with actionable steps and real-world examples, making it a practical guide for both beginners and experienced marketers.